This video is made possible by Amsel.
Here today with the man who really don't need an introduction if you've been following racing for a while.
Maybe no. 6 years ago that.
Alan, how you doing?
Good.
You answered the first question. I was going to ask, how long ago was the last
Chicken in our teeth. Just eat. That's joke. Yeah, man, it's very, it's unexplainable.
6 years.
6 years. Mr. Modi and myself, may his soul rest in peace. Great man. Very profound individual that became a close friend the last few years, and I'm so happy that I got to know him on a different level. So we came approximately a month before he got sick, and we did the first shakedown of the car that has been developing for the last 5 years then. And trust me, I was in Cantel, all smiles, constantly the whole day. To the point where I didn't business what time I was doing nothing. We just, we had issues.
The car.
Right. We had issues and things, but the car wouldn't rev out past 555 because it had issues. But we had to make use of the day for him to tune the suspension, and man, I tell you, the man is a magician. I went out for about 4 to 6 laps. Came in, related to him what was wrong, or what I felt that was wrong, and he put 2 and 2 together with what he see, and him just tell him crew all 4s off. Jack up the car and him go on and him do what him doing, and him say ready. And when I went back out there, I've never experienced that. The car stick to the track like, I don't know,
Whoa.
Words can't.
Whoa,
I've never had a professional tuner tune my car.
Right.
So that added to it, apart from the fact that he's so knowledgeable and experienced and does know exactly what to do. We had a really good day.
Yeah.
Wednesday we spoke. And just in conversation, he said, by the way, you were doing consistent 129. I said, Mr. Modi, you come to mess around today. He said, no, and he was serious. And to think the problems we had, and we know the car had potential. So I said to him that I think it's 120. He said, no, 122. I said, well, I've driven it over 5 years. I think I have 2 seconds in me. He said, well, we will see. There could be a comprehensive overall of the governing bodies of motor racing, and go back to where it was and carry it from there onwards. Hopefully, I'm hopeful.
A86, right?
Yes, it's the same car I used to rally. The same car I ran here back in, I don't even know, that was what? 10 probably?
Oh yeah?
08, we won the $1 million championship. I don't even know, people probably don't even know what that is.
No, sir, I don't know.
Dave Lee had put up $1 million
Yeah?
for a group of us. 3 different configurations of motor cars. Like, for example, front wheel, rear wheel, all wheel. And we had groups, mine, Doug, mine was Jeremy Groves and Bolt. It was phenomenal. We had fun. Back down in Savon, it's so long ago, I don't even remember everything. Dean Gardner was driving the car that Bolt built.
Okay.
And we ended up winning the championship, the $1 million championship, and that was the debut of the car, really.
Okay.
So it was street, then Dexter, then rally. I ran a few rallies with it. Drag.
Yeah.
11.5 on the drag, full weight.
This same car here?
The same car. This car actually have a history in Jamaica that no other, but I don't advertise it. It has entered every genre of racing and done well in all of them. So, and same here at Dover, back when I have little street suspension and slicks with some Honda brakes, I did 125, and that was 2011, 2012, long time. So this car, I have zero sentimental attachments to this car, which is why I sold the Starlet and then dumped the money in this.
Okay,
Right.
okay,
Yeah,
because I remember the Starlet being the last car that
Right,
you
right.
raced.
Right, and I raced it in Trinidad and then Mark Maloney bought it.
Okay.
So actually ran it in Jam West after.
Yeah?
The car didn't even belong to me then, but a lot of people didn't know that either. Anyway, so he bought it and we went to Barbados. I didn't even bother race.
Yes.
I just,
Yeah, yeah.
that's the history. But this car, I've never gone to a race and not go home with a trophy. I don't have no wood to knock on. But just for example, Moby, I am sure that you see those guys drag racing now.
Yeah.
Kyle had the black Civic and I had this, and he and I did a clean sweep. There's a picture somewhere.
Yeah.
I have 3 trophies here, I have 4 here, and him have the same thing, and we take a picture. We grab up all of the trophies of that day. So this car has won me over 80 something trophies.
Wow.
So I had to just rebuild it and take my time, and now it is really close to where I'm
Where you
really
want
happy
it.
with it. Yeah, man. Mr. Moody was the one that helped me to rebuild it.
Okay.
Bill Lewis, Caswell, Lewis, all of those names played a part in it.
Alright, but real quick before you go, you mind telling us the setup that you're running?
Well, it's a 20 valve turbo with a Drent, I think it's 400 heavy duty sequential gearbox.
Oh.
I still having the same Supra Silica 7.5 inch rear end, but it has reinforcement and watch linkage and everything in there. Uncle Billy Lewis had turret the back shocks and put on some 50mm drum-ons at the back, and I bought suspension for the front, and
So the car
it is-
nice.
It is well set. AP
Are you-
racing brakes right round.
I see that. I
Electric
see that.
steering, pedal box, everything is
Nice.
proper, man. Like, this is my dream, and thank God it's coming true, and I enjoy it.
Good.
Sadly, the fuel pump went when I was running down Miss Sierra. But is when I started to pressure it, because I was
Okay.
just cruising around before, and then I started pressure it and it give way. But that's just how motor racing is.
That's-
Something,
yeah.
When you pressure it, something fail, and that's fine.
Yeah. So I guess you'll be back real quick though.
Yeah. Not that we were racing a while ago. I'm just saying. I really admire her, and I have a daughter. I have a daughter now. She's 14 months old. I know that's going to be her idol. See Miss Sierra there?
Alright.
So I know she's going to be Lillian's idol.
Yeah, man,
I
definitely.
really admire her. And the father to daughter thing. Yeah, man. Proper thing. Rosie doing a very good job.
But real quick before you go, Alan, which class is it that you intend to race in?
Well, originally, because of what we were preparing the car for, and the professional team that would have backed me, which is Mr. Moody and Garth and you know, Peter and Ishmael. Hopefully they would have joined, but we would have, it's a Group 3 car, MP3, but they allow us now to step up. So I was actually going to step up to MP4.
Okay.
Because I bought 11-inch rear rims, 10-inch for the front, so would have run full slicks and went all out. 500 horsepower build, all of that was in planning.
Okay.
But sadly, COVID came and
Right.
I don't want to say the rest is history, because we hope not. Yeah, man. So,
But eventually, I guess you'll get back to that dream of 500 horsepower.
hopefully, I get old. So we see how it goes. Right now,
Yeah.
I came here
Yeah.
to run one last time
Yes.
before we change Mr. Moody's settings on the car.
Okay.
As the car is now licensed and insured.
Okay.
So it's going on the street. That's the only way I can enjoy it. I can't wait to races to enjoy it. So,
Okay.
yeah, man, that's the plan.
Well, Alan, all the best, and you know, we'll definitely get an update as soon as you're back out.
Yeah, man.
All right.
I don't
Big
really
up.
advertise still, but you'll catch me again.
Big up,
Yeah,
Alan.
man, blessing. Big up to
Respect.
876 Streets, Neil Timuel, Lizard, all that played up.
Mandeville
Big
massive.
up. Yeah, man. Everybody did a very good job on the car. Jocelyn, he bought all the parts and everything. So,
Okay.
yeah, man.
All
So
right.
blessings, one love.
Respect.
All right.
Cool.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.